Welcome to this beautiful home nestled in a large quarter-acre lot in a cul-de-sac. Welcome to 6579 Roubideau Creek Way, located in Ridgeview at Stetson Hills. This two-story home is fabulous with updates and upgrades throughout, and the charming covered porch sets the stage for what you're about to find. Come on in, let's take a look. When you enter the home, you're greeted with soaring ceilings and abundant windows which let in lots of natural light. I love that the floors are new. They are antique farmhouse hickory and they are throughout the main level. The formal sitting area leads into the formal dining area, which has a tray ceiling, and both rooms feature updated light fixtures. The spacious kitchen has also been updated. The granite countertops are new. The tile backsplash is also new. You'll see stainless steel appliances, a new flat microwave, and abundant cabinets and countertops, which make it perfect for entertaining friends and families for anything. Welcome to the primary suite, which is located on the upper level. You'll love these vaulted ceilings, the abundant light, and the sitting area. It leads into a private bath, which has been updated and has beautiful bowl sinks on the counter, a walk-in closet, and a large soaking tub. It sits on about a quarter acre. There's multiple outdoor living spaces. This one is a new stamped patio with a gazebo and electricity. We have a patio in the middle that leads into the home and another area that's a private patio with electricity as well. You'll also appreciate the tiered garden levels that you can use for fruits, vegetables, or flowers, and the grassy areas. You'll love the multiple outdoor living areas this home offers.